Clean feet are the mark of a well-groomed person. But in humid weather, they face many challenges like smell, dirt, and muck. To learn more about how to care for your feet all around the year, type foot in the comments below to download our guide. Your feet carry you from one place to another every single day and assist you in your most basic functions. This leads to constant wear and tear of your feet, and chances are that you will experience problems like blisters, shoe bites, pain, corns, fungal infections, smelly feet, rashes, etc. To cure them or to prevent them from developing, you need to make caring for your feet a part of your daily routine. Wear footwear that's your size and not too tight. It's always better to wear footwear that runs a size bigger than your actual shoe size than one smaller. This will not only make sure you are comfortable and keep the blood flowing to your feet, but also prevent any shoe bites that could leave behind permanent scars. Always remember, thicker soles will cushion your movement and protect your heels from damage. In addition to that, you won't have to deal with redness, blisters, cuts, and cracks ever again. Long and unkept toenails harbor bacteria and dirt, and thus may lead to fungal infections between the toes and odor. Keeping your nails short indicates practice of good hygiene. Just like our feet, our footwear also carry bacteria, fungus, and infections. Keeping them clean is an important part of everyday hygiene, as this makes sure that your feet are free of allergies as well. So in addition to washing your feet properly, you also need to clean your footwear once in a while to keep your feet safe and pretty. For sandals or shoes that you cannot wash, clean them with alcohol-free wipes. If your feet get wet, mucky or sweaty, soak them in a tub of warm water and wash them thoroughly. Letting your feet sit in their own bath helps prevent any foot odor and chances of fever. It also prevents any bacteria from setting in cuts or cracks on your feet. Keep antibacterial wipes handy to wipe your feet. Make sure to clean the areas between your toes and inside your nails as well. Once your feet are clean, it's time to tackle bigger issues like calluses, cracked feet, and dead skin. Rubbing a pumice stone or a foot file on your feet helps buff away dead skin cells accumulated over a period of time very easily. Follow this up with a thin layer of moisturizer. Relish soft feet instantly by spending just 5 minutes with these tools every week. Prevent your feet from callousing and revive skin hydration by getting rid of dead cells with the help of a moisturizing peppermint foot scrub. Take 1 cup of sugar, 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 10 to 12 drops of peppermint essential oil for some cooling relief. Mix well and get scrubbing. Massage your feet, toes, and heels for about 10 minutes. In addition to softening your feet, this exfoliator will also reduce swelling and inflammation, revealing soft and fresh feet. This scrub is basically like a spa day for tired feet. Wear socks overnight after moisturizing. A super way to put your feet in rehab is to moisturize them with a foot cream that pulls a double duty by not only hydrating but also relaxing tired feet. Put on a pair of socks and rest up for the night. You'll wake up with rejuvenated feet every single day. If you're tired of soggy socks and smelly feet, just rub antiperspirant deodorant on the back and sides of your foot before putting on your footwear. The deodorant acts as a barrier which helps reduce sweating and blisters. You can also apply an antifungal powder on your heels, between your toes, and the back of your feet to sweat-proof your feet. If you feel like your feet could do with some extra pampering and care, sleep with your feet elevated by adding a couple of pillows underneath. This will relax tense muscles and reduce any aches overnight. There are some additions that can enhance your foot care and healing process and help you flaunt pretty, baby soft feet all the time. Tell us which one of these you would incorporate in your everyday routine in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.